Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change language on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel that your language on your cell phone is not match as language that you want, or if you want to change the language of your cell phone, don't need to be worried guys, because to change it is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to the settings menu on your phone like this guys. And then after that, now you can scroll down and go to this is system, and then after that now you can go to languages and go to system language, and then here now you can add a new language, and then after that now you can long press, and then you can navigate it into first place of your language, so that it will be change your cell phone's language. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the result, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.